Hey, this is the dude behind the microphone, the one who likes to hear himself talk. I am Josh Quinn. Welcome to EVA Trades, that's YVA Trades. What you see before you is the Thinkorswim platform, and today I'll be trading on the simulator as I continue working to perfect my strategy. I do plan to trade real money and live stream in the near future, so do stay tuned for that. Today you're welcome to join me and follow along as I place real trades in the simulator and share with you what I've learned about the stock market. So remember, trading is risky, and always trade in a simulator to develop a strategy that produces consistent results before you put real money on the line. So the stocks we'll be trading today are from a stock scanner called Trade Ideas. I have uploaded the data from Trade Ideas into my own custom-made scanner so that I can go back in time and trade any days in the past, which is what I'll be doing today. So the three stocks you see here are the leading tickers in the market this morning. Only two of them I really like. Primarily we'll be using the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frames. So with 5 minutes to go till the market opens, let's break down these stocks. I'll go ahead and push the play button. And really there is only one stock that I truly like, and that is GOVX. GOVX is the leading gapper this morning, gapping up 38%. It is a low float stock with a 9 million in the float and 14 million shares of volume traded so far this morning. The one thing I don't like about it is that it is down in the cheaper area. I like them when they're above $2, and it's kind of hovering right around that area. So I'm going to go ahead and mark out a few levels here as we do. Oops. That one was wrong. So we got a support there, you've got a little resistance here, and you got some resistance there at the high of pre-market, of course. And let's check that daily level. Check those daily levels and see if anything matches up there. We have a daily level at $1. There it is, at $1.93. Which is about where we're trading right now. I'm not sure I really want to play around here much with the dailies. As I've said in the past, I don't like to mark out the daily levels too much. I'm going to get rid of that. Let's go back up here and finish this analysis here on the 5 minute. So, looking at the hourly on this one, it is an hourly uptrend ever since yesterday, with a higher low and a higher high, and a higher low and a higher high, and a higher low and a higher high. Barely. No follow through on the higher high yet. So we're looking for some follow through today. We'll see if we get it. Getting extended above the EMAs, you see when we get extended, we pull back. Extended, we pull back, getting extended, but, you know, we'll see what happens when the market opens. Moving on to SIGA. SIGA was one from yesterday that actually did make a nice move and continued that post-market, and now here pre-market we're consolidating and pulling back. I see a level here on the hourly that is interesting at $3.55. This is one I'll just be watching. Not sure I'm going to trade it yet. Pretty big day yesterday though, and INO, don't care about it. Placeholder, that's all it is. I've just put it there just for now. I got nothing else on the scans, nothing else on the gap scanner. So this is it. I'm basically watching GOVX. I'm going to keep an eye on SIGA, and we're going to replace INO as soon as something else pops up. I'm going to go ahead and set my stop parameter here for 7 cents. And good morning, everybody, by the way. Hope all is well. Good morning, good evening, whatever time it is that you're listening to this video. I hope it's coming to you and you're doing well in your trading, and hopefully you'll learn something. Hopefully we'll both learn something, or all of us will learn something today. Hopefully there is more than two of us. Yeah, trading below the VWAP. Trying to get back up above these levels, the $15, the VWAP, the EMAs. This SIGA has been consolidating since 3 a.m., so for the last 3 hours. So let's see if maybe it's done consolidating and get a move. Now on the 15-minute here, it kind of looks like a bear flag. Rejected off of 15. GOBX seemingly putting in a higher low on the 15-minute, going for a higher high. This might be like a gap and go scenario. I can't trade that first 1 minute candle because the simulator will not let me do that. So if it is a gap and go, I'm not going to be able to go. $629.59, $630. The market's open. Let's see if it is a gap and go. Pulled back for just a split second there, and now maybe it's going to take off. 500,000 shares of volume on that first 1 minute candle already. And it's only not even halfway through. So here we are pulling back. Do I have a support level where I would like to buy off of? There's a VWAP there. That candle is 13 cents. I have my stop parameter set at 7 cents, and now that candle is 14. 7 cents is going to put my stop pretty close unless I can get in on our nice dip. So this candle is going to close in 5 seconds. I'd like to start the day without taking a loss first. I notice it's been a trend with me lately. See if I get in there. Okay, my stop is below that line. I do like that. I might exit this one quickly if I can get a good enough pop-up. I want to see a little more. I'm going to be greedy, and that could cost me. Yep. That did cost me, and I added there on that line. Exiting that first position just to be safe, and out the next one. Oh, I don't know what happened there. I had profit showing on the ladder, on the price ladder. Well, I kind of botched that trade. Here's my profit. It's $0. Oh man, I'm hating that I sold that. Well, we're talking gap and go. Let's see if this thing's gonna go. There's a nice move for $128. Could have had quite a bit more had I. What happened was I got in here and then I went down into the red on the price ladder was showing red. But I added, and then when it came back up, I wanted to get out because I was afraid of a further drop, and taking, 2 more losses, or 2 losses to start with would be down $200. And the candles, the way they're doing this here, 1372. I'm in there at 1370. Oh, 1371. candles are freezing up on me a little bit, so it's making it a little difficult to see what is going on here. So I sold that one for a quick $35 because I can't tell. So I'm going to sit back. I'm going to sit back and I'm going to sit on my hands. It's kind of hard to do. Sitting on my hands, that is, because I'm on a ball. I'm on one of those Gold's Gyms balls that you sit on. Okay, 1355 on Sega would be a nice entry. There's 44. Ooh, I don't know if I like the way that is behaving. I'm going to get back out for a $10 loss. It dropped below the line quite a bit more than I wanted. Okay, we're way below. This is definitely not something I should be trying to trade here. I'm going to focus my attention back over here on GOBX. You know, I'm almost thinking about stopping. Yeah, I said it. I know it's only not even 5 minutes into the day. I just came off of a long shift. And I am a little tired. I almost did not fire up the trade station this morning because I'm a little sleepy. But I want to see if we get a... Just be quiet. Let's see if we get a pullback to 205. We got a whisper. Average candles, 16 cents. What I can do, because I'm afraid of taking a loss. So I'm going to change my stop parameter to 20 cents, which is much bigger than the 1 minute candle. But this way, if I'm not going to make a lot, but I'm also not going to lose a lot. Let's see, we have a new 5 minute candle. It's going to pull back to there. That's... If it drops any further, I'm going to get back out. I want that support to hold. Boy, it's hard to see that candle. 205. It's got to hold 205. I see it hitting 204, but the bid is staying at 205. And I'm going to move my stop loss right to the bottom. Oops. Okay, yeah, it didn't hold. So, all right. So I gave back a little profit there. Let me show you where we're at today. I don't think I've showed you. $142, and I think that's a good place to just kind of stop. So you've got, and let's look at the longer term time frames here. You've got Sega pulling back, who knows to where. It dropped below this 1355 level. For the moment, it could come back up and you could see this turn into a green bar. This is an hourly candle, so there's still a half hour left on that. There's also a level there. GOBX. You'd like to see more follow through here. Nice volume on the 15. I don't know. This pullback, I didn't like this, how it broke that far through that level. So that makes it kind of tricky to trade. It is bouncing off the EMA here. Decreasing bear volume. Maybe we get a bounce off VWAP. Maybe it doesn't go below 201. You know, $2 is pretty strong. I'm looking at... Oh. Dang. I'm going to pause this. Let me just tell you what I was going to say. I'm looking over at my scanner and it still says 625. So for some reason my scanner never started when I pressed play. I'm going to... I have everything paused. I'm going to click on set time, and it's going to go to all the computers and set the time. I've got a technical issue. My scanner is not updating for some reason. And I think I know why. Give me 1 second. Just bear with me. There's a bear with me. God, I hope not. I have a fear of bears. Okay, I'm gonna click set time again. I have this weird thing that happens with my code. I don't know why, but sometimes I have to reload it a second time because it doesn't get administrative rights and it just doesn't want to work. All right, so we're set. So I'll quit talking, push play, and here we go. Okay, so yeah, there's not much happening. Nothing popping up on my scanner yet, and it's 6:37. So we should be seeing some something. But GOVX is still strong. Bounce off $2 might happen. I'm gonna try to take a chance just because I want to see, and I'm gonna risk just $20 on this. I'm putting a stop loss down here. Yeah. Maybe I should have waited and let it actually come down to the VWAP. But anyways, that's 2 losses in a row, and they were small losses, and I'm just gonna stop right there. And I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna skip ahead. I apologize for quitting so early, but this is most likely gonna bounce right here. I'm pretty sure. I just don't really have the patience right now to stick around. Oh, well, there was a small bounce. It bounced, and this candle broke over that one. Could have gotten in here to sell for the break of that high of that candle. But coming back down, trading below the VWAP now. So I guess quitting was maybe the right call. Let's skip ahead a little more and just see what happens with the rest of the day. So it looks like last week's sideways action is continuing this week so far. This is Monday, and sideways and even down seems to be the trend lately. I'm waiting for when we start to get the momentum back. If we had momentum in the market right now, believe me, this stock here, after it pulled back, would have seen continuation. So this is not pretty. That is very ugly. Oh my gosh. This candle here just dropped and then it halted. Halted for 5 minutes. It was a circuit breaker halt where they stopped the trading on this stock for 5 minutes and then it resumed here. Boy, you wouldn't want to get caught up in something like that. So anyways, this will be the shortest video ever, and I appreciate you all for tuning in and for watching. I don't know if you learned much today. We'll try again tomorrow. Try to get a little more technical analysis in there for you, and I will talk to you all. Whoever's out there listening, I will talk to you later. Thank you. Good night, and good day, and good morning.